Hello, welcome to the CDA program at Pratt Educational Services. My name is Gillian Pratt, and I'm the President and Educational Consultant for Pratt Educational Services. I want to tell you a little bit about myself, a little about our company, and what you can expect from this online program. First, I am married. I have two children and two grandchildren. I have been in the field of early childhood education for 35 years. I have been doing the CDA program for Pratt for 18 years this September 2014. I am very proud to say that we have had many successes over the past almost 18 years. Now, to tell you a little bit about my educational background, I have an associate's degree in early childhood education. I have a bachelor's degree in social sciences with a concentration in education, and I have a master's degree in teaching and learning with technology. I teach at Cincinnati State as an adjunct instructor, and I have for the past 14 years. I teach early childhood education courses. I also am on the advisory committee at Cincinnati State in early childhood and have been since the beginning of the program. I am also on the advisory committee at Diamond Oaks Child Development, Great Oaks School. Um, what I like to do in my spare time, which is very limited, I do like to do crafts, particularly crochet or anything that I can use my hands to make things. Now, let's talk about Pratt Educational Services. We offer CDA training classes for individuals like you who are looking to improve your skills, add to your skills, or just want to just learn a little bit more so you can advance in your career. So what we have put together here for your online program is what we call live binders. You will be issued an access code and a link, and you will click on that link, put in your access code, and you'll be able to access your work. The textbook that you will be using for this course is, the Essentials for Working with Young Children. This is an excellent textbook. This textbook will help prepare you for the test that you will be taking at the end of your program. Let's talk about what you'll be learning throughout the online process. You'll be learning about theories, and you'll be doing some creative activities. You'll also be learning about how to be a professional, program management, how to conduct observations. So you're going to be covering the 13 functional areas of CDA. Once you have completed the program, you will be issued a certificate of completion, and then you'll be ready to apply for your CDA. When you ordered your book, you got a packet, which was a bundle, and you have two books. The second book you need for the process of applying for your CDA. That's the thin book. We will be looking at that later, but you get that in the beginning so you can start looking through to see what types of things you'll be assessed on when you have your observation. Once you have completed the program, gotten your certificate, there is a scholarship you can apply for to pay for your CDA, and it's through the Teach Scholarship. So once you're finished, you get a certificate, you apply for the Teach Scholarship, then you'll be able to apply for the CDA. Don't worry, don't get overwhelmed at this point. We will send you links for all of these things. So at the time when you need it, you just click on, fill out the information, and submit it. We will be with you through this whole process. So if you ever have any problems or you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to call or email me. Also, during this process, you have to do an observation. You'll be putting together a portfolio, which all of that you'll be doing in this class. So that's another thing I don't want you to worry about just yet. When you get there, we will, let you know ahead of time. Okay, it's time to prepare for that, and then you'll be ready. This can be a very painless process. You just take your time, look at the syllabus at each one of the binders, make sure that you're following the syllabus, and then you should be okay. So that's pretty much it for right now. So if you have any questions throughout this process, we do have online meetings periodically. So we will send you a link when a meeting has been planned. And if you have questions, and we can all be in the same class at the same time, just through the internet. So any questions, please feel free to call. And I wish you the best in your journey through the CDA program. And thanks for choosing Pratt Educational Services.